Hi Garden to Table, my name is Belina and today we are going to be making oat milk from home. The only ingredients you need for this recipe are rolled oats and water. But to make it taste a little bit better, we're going to add a sweetener, maple syrup, as well as some vanilla extract and salt. To prepare our oat milk, we will be using a blender. Remember, blenders have very sharp blades, so find a parent or another adult to help you with this part. Then you're going to need a bowl to catch the oat milk when it is done, and a mesh strainer. I'm adding a coffee filter for extra filtration. First, we are going to take half a cup of the rolled oats. Three cups of water. An eighth of a teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And 1 teaspoon of maple syrup. Now we're going to add all these ingredients in the blender. So now we're going to blend everything. Make sure the blender lid is on and the cup is screwed in tightly to the blender. We're going to turn it on and we're going to blend for 30 seconds. Now that our milk is done blending, all we need to do is pour it into this bowl. However, there is a layer of slime and residue at the top of the blend here. And so that's where our filter system comes in. So once again, I have a mesh strainer and a coffee filter on top of it to help get out all the solid bits before we pour it into the bowl. Now that our oat milk has finished straining, we can enjoy it. For best results, you want to leave it chilled in your refrigerator overnight. But if you'd like to try some right away, just fill a glass with ice and pour it in.